Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Tesla, AI, robotics, and the future. It is in my belief that Tesla is one of the top AI stocks going into 2025, and currently I think now is the best time to invest into Tesla for the best gains in the future. As always, I want to say that this is not financial advice, and I always recommend doing your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. So let's hop into it. So as I'm recording this video on December 7th, Tesla is currently at $394, about to reach back into the 400s, and possibly past their old all-time high, which was set on November 5th of 2021 at the level of $407, which is pretty significant considering the stock had a 3-to-1 split in August of 2022. And despite the stock split and there being 3-to-1 valuation for the stock, we could see that there is still a ton of money pumping into the stock, and it is reaching those all-time high levels, which for some companies that don't have great value or great fundamentals, this could be the death of a company. And a lot of the times this is what companies will do to devalue the stock and dilute the shares. And even the bears who were once super doubtful on Tesla, a lot of short talk back in 2016, 2017, a lot of people thinking Tesla was going to fail. Despite all that, the short sentiment is actually down, and Tesla holds a pretty low short interest at only 2%, meaning that the overall sentiment is positive and bullish on this stock. Understandably so, as I think Tesla is one of the top AI stocks going into 2025. With this being Tesla's newest innovation, the Tesla Bot. Also known as Tesla Optimus, this is a humanoid bot. It's going to be 5'8" and 125 pounds. It could walk up to 5 miles per hour and also carry up to 45 pounds. The purpose behind it is going to be to perform both dangerous and mundane tasks. And I could just say when it comes to mundane tasks, and I see the Tesla robot holds up to 45 pounds of weight, the first thing that comes to my mind is how the Tesla robot is going to help me carry in my groceries. And this is the shift where I say Tesla is bound to go more into the AI sector than just the EV market, and that is with Musk's vision. He says that he thinks the Optimus could be more important than Tesla's vehicle business over time. And if you're interested in a Tesla robot, it is said that these are going to be coming out in 2026. So being in December of 2024, of course, now is the best time to invest in preparation for the upcoming events in the future. And despite the hard time that the Democrats and the government has given Elon over the last years, we now have President-elect Donald Trump coming into office this January, and he is very great friends with Elon Musk, which of course is very positive for both Tesla and Elon Musk, as we could see a lot of ideas and innovations get pushed through with Donald Trump being the president. And Trump does value Elon's opinion, as he set him as one of the heads of the Department of Government Efficiency, which is set to give suggestions for reform in the government. So not only is Tesla positioning themselves into the AI sector, but they are also very well positioned when it comes to the EV market. They hold over half the market share when it comes to EV vehicles, absolutely dominating every single other competitor, which could be preparing themselves very nicely for the future, especially when Trump leaves office, if another Democrat gets into office, or if someone wants to make policies all centered towards EV, Elon Musk and Tesla will be positioned perfectly for that. And it wasn't long ago that part of Biden's goal was to have all vehicles on the road, half of them, 50% of them, being EV by 2030. And I do believe that this will be the future that all vehicle companies go, as a lot of new vehicle companies such as Rivian, Lucid, and a couple others, they don't even focus on making gas-guzzling vehicles, but they're all electric. And Jaguar looks like it's going to be going the same direction, as they won't be selling any gasoline cars over the next year. They're going to be focusing all on EV. With Tesla, they're ahead of this trend, as they have always started with all EV vehicles, with Tesla being very ahead of the trend, being founded in 2003 and going public in 2009. And it took them about 11 years to flip a lot of those financials into the positive revenue, earnings per share, and a couple others. But we could see that in 2020, they finally were in the positive, and it's only gotten better since then. And most recently, their Q3 earnings, where the Cybertrucks were released to a lot of the public, they absolutely killed it on those numbers. And when we zoom out on Tesla and look at the grand picture of everything, Tesla is still very undervalued in my opinion, and it's going to be interesting to see where this stock will go over the next 5 to 10 years. And AI is going to play a massive part in our lives, and Elon Musk is looking to be the one that pushes robots into our future. And this is also before Donald J. Trump gets into office, and once again, Elon Musk is great friends with Donald Trump, meaning he could have a lot of influence and power when it comes to government. So I would be curious to hear what you guys have to say about Tesla, if you're bullish on the stock, what you think. So please drop a comment, please leave a like, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and have a great day.